Alright, it's working. Alright, this is the problem. Set up here. When I go all the way up, this little plastic arm here hits the swash arm. So do I have to go into the control settings in the computer in my remote and switch it from 100% down? That is my question. I'll show you what I mean here in a second. Second question is when leveling the swash plate, when making sure your arms are 90 degrees as they are there, is that how the remote should be? With the throttle trim all the way down and the throttle down. There's been numerous things that people say you want it centered. So that's my question. So what I did when I set it up with that down, and all these other trims even. And I'm going to show you what I mean when I turn on the helicopter here and the control arms hit. Rate mode. Now that's at rate mode all the way down. Or not rate mode, but 3D, as they say. Obviously, I'm new to this. Now when I go all the way up, no, it's not hitting. Well, hold on, it will hit. Right there. That's supposed to hit. It was causing a chirp before. If I raise the more, it's not chirping now, but you see how it's hitting so close? It was actually chirping. Right there, and you hear that chirp? That's because that's up too high. No idea why that's doing that. Anybody can help me out here, it would be greatly helped. And I'm kind of lost. You know, if I go to normal mode, that's all the way down. That's all the way up. Still makes that noise. What am I doing wrong? I do know that these adjustments here are kind of up. Kind of, I don't want to go any farther. You know, I went on the computer and downloaded the software. So if anybody can help me, it'd be much really appreciated. Thank you.